you see this picture on my screen now, it saddens me in so many ways. When I was going through the comment section of the person that uploaded that video, one person said, "Oh, true, so you people are worshiping Satan. True, you people are worshiping Satan." And in my mind, I was like, wow, wow. You get, because we are at a point where we're trying to come out from so many stereotype that portrays Ekwensu as something horrifying, something demonic, something yada 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 yada. And a traditionalist tries to construct an image of Ekwensu, to represent the image of Ekwensu, and this person falls back into the stereotype that we're trying to correct. This is just wrong. And it is disturbing on so many levels. It is disturbing on so many levels. There is a great deal of work that we need to do when it comes to changing stereotypes, changing imageries that we have. Because if the white man wants to create an image of a godlike creator, he's going to put that image in such a way that it is pleasant, in such a way that it is beautiful, in such a way that it is not terrifying, in such a way that you want to hang a portrait in your house. You would even want your children to look like that image that the white man is trying to portray. But for us in the Igbo, if you want to portray an image, we will now look for something very horrifying, and put in our house and call it Ekwensu. But now, it is not done like that. And again, there are conversations I don't like to put my mouth in, but I don't know what a woman is doing with Ekwensu in her house. So I don't know what a woman is doing with Ekwensu in her house. Ndị be anyị na-asị na ofu onye adịghị ebu alụsị. One person cannot carry a deity. A deity is supposed to be a communal thing. The community is supposed to come and say, "Oh yeah, we want to stamp you, want you to function, want you to do this for us." So that if we want to reject it, the community will come together and say, "We reject you." Now, if one person is carrying a deity, or for a woman that is young, still within the childbearing age, I bet that in ordinary, there are reasons why they tell you not to meddle with some certain energies, no matter how strong you think you are as a woman. It's I think, and it's basically tied to a woman's fertility. So for a woman, you want to have